Quantum silence, quantum silence. Quick message. Hey man, listen here. If you stop right now, everything that you did up to this point is in vain. It's like you did nothing. I know you did a lot. I know you got a lot accomplished. I know you're feeling good about yourself, but guess what? You're not finished. Work until everything is completed. And when you're done, then you can cross your legs and say, you know what? I did a good job. But until then, keep your mouth shut and keep working. Don't tell nobody how you feel about what you're doing. Keep everything to yourself. Be quiet and keep working consistently until it's done all the way. Because until then, guess what? You ain't done nothing.